Have you ever sat and pondered about the meaning of life? It's a question that has been asked since the dawn of time, a question that has inspired countless philosophical debates, religious doctrines, and scientific theories. From the ancient Greeks pondering the nature of existence to modern scientists exploring the outer reaches of the cosmos, this question has been a driving force behind human curiosity and discovery. Philosophers like Socrates and Nietzsche contemplated the purpose of human existence, while religions around the world offer varied interpretations on the purpose and meaning of life. In the realm of science, the quest for understanding the meaning of life has taken us from the microscopic world of cells and DNA to the vast expanse of the universe. Scientists have probed the mysteries of evolution, the origins of the universe, and the nature of consciousness itself, yet the question remains, what is the meaning of life? The answer, or perhaps the journey towards the answer, might not be as far-fetched as it seems. What if the key to unlocking this age-old question lies in the realm of the very small, in the world of the quantum? Quantum mechanics, a branch of physics that deals with phenomena at the atomic and subatomic levels, has been known to challenge our understanding of reality. It's a world where particles can exist in two places at once, where cause and effect can seemingly be reversed, and where reality itself seems to depend on the observer. So could it be that the secrets of life and its meaning are hidden in the quantum world? Could our understanding of existence be fundamentally linked with the strange and counterintuitive principles of quantum mechanics? This is not just a wild conjecture. Some scientists and philosophers are beginning to explore this possibility with fascinating theories and experiments that hint at a deep connection between life, consciousness, and the quantum world. So as we embark on this journey of exploration, let's keep an open mind, and let's dare to ask the big question. Could the answer to the meaning of life lie within the realm of quantum mechanics? Quantum mechanics, a term that sends shivers down the spine of many. But what if we could understand it in simpler terms? Let's take a journey into the microcosm of the universe, the realm where particles behave in ways that seem to defy logic and common sense. This is the world of quantum mechanics. Imagine you're at a party and you're playing a game of hide and seek. You're the seeker, and all your friends are the particles. Now, in our everyday world, your friends can only hide in one place at a time. But in the quantum world, your friends, just like particles, could be hiding in multiple places at once. This is the concept of superposition, where particles can exist in all possible states simultaneously until observed. Now let's add a twist to our game. Imagine if finding one friend would instantly reveal the hiding spot of another, no matter how far apart they are. This is quantum entanglement, a phenomenon where particles become interconnected and the state of one instantly influences the state of the other, regardless of the distance between them. But here's where it gets really mind-bending. You know the saying, seeing is believing? Well, in the quantum world, it's more like believing is seeing. Particles exist in all possible states until observed, and it's the act of observation that forces them into just one state. This is known as wave function collapse. So, in essence, the observer influences the observed. Now, you might be thinking, all this sounds like something out of a science fiction novel. But, rest assured, these concepts have been tested and verified in countless experiments. They are the backbone of technologies we use every day, like lasers and semiconductors. Quantum mechanics, as strange as it may seem, is the fundamental theory that describes the nature and behavior of matter at its tiniest scales. Can quantum mechanics offer insights into the nature of consciousness and life itself? This question has been at the heart of some of the most intriguing scientific discussions of the past century. Let's dive a little deeper into the theories that link quantum mechanics to consciousness, starting with the quantum mind hypothesis. This theory proposes that consciousness might indeed be a quantum mechanical phenomenon. It suggests that our thoughts, our awareness, the very essence of what makes us us, might be intrinsically tied to the strange and fascinating world of the quantum. Now, what does this mean? In the quantum world, particles can be in multiple places at once. They can teleport through barriers, and their states can be entangled over vast distances. If consciousness is indeed a quantum mechanical phenomenon, as the quantum mind hypothesis suggests, then our understanding and experience of reality could be fundamentally linked to these quantum processes. But how could such a link exist? Some theorists propose that quantum processes might occur within the brain's neurons, potentially influencing our thoughts and perceptions. Others speculate that quantum mechanics could play a role in the fundamental nature of life itself. For instance, the theory of quantum biology suggests that quantum mechanics might underpin key biological processes, such as photosynthesis or bird navigation. If quantum processes are so fundamental to life, then it's not a great leap to imagine that they might also be involved in consciousness. However, it's important to note that these theories are not without controversy. The quantum mind hypothesis and the idea of quantum biology are still very much on the fringes of mainstream scientific thought. Many scientists argue that the warm, wet, and chaotic environment of the biological world is no place for delicate quantum processes. But whether you subscribe to these theories or not, they undoubtedly open up fascinating possibilities about the nature of life and consciousness. They challenge us to think differently about the world, about ourselves, and about what it means to be conscious. These theories, while controversial, open up fascinating possibilities about the nature of life and consciousness. So, how does all this tie into the meaning of life? Now that's a question for the ages. But as we delve deeper into the quantum realm, we begin to see some compelling parallels that might just give us a fresh perspective on existence itself. Quantum mechanics, with its inherent interconnectedness, reminds us that we are not isolated entities but part of a grand, intricate web of relationships. Just as particles are entangled in a dance of states and probabilities, so too are we entangled in a complex network of relationships and experiences. This interconnectedness suggests that perhaps the meaning of life is not about individual accomplishment, but about the relationships we form, the lives we touch, and the shared experiences we cultivate. At the same time, the unpredictability of quantum mechanics, where particles can exist in multiple states until observed, mirrors the unpredictability of life. Just as we cannot predict with absolute certainty the state of a quantum particle, we cannot predict the twists and turns our lives will take. This uncertainty, far from being a source of fear, can be a source of wonder and excitement. It reminds us that life is not a predetermined path, but a journey of discovery and growth. Moreover, quantum mechanics challenges our perception of what is real and what is possible. If particles can exist in two places at once or become entangled across vast distances, then perhaps our understanding of life too can expand beyond the constraints of our everyday experiences. This opens up a world of possibilities and ignites a spark of curiosity and wonder, which are arguably essential ingredients in a meaningful life. Perhaps the meaning of life is not a singular, concrete answer, but a complex tapestry woven from the threads of our understanding, experiences, and the fundamental laws of the universe. So, as we continue to explore the quantum realm, we might just find that it has more to teach us about the meaning of life than we ever imagined. While we may not have a definitive answer to the meaning of life, quantum mechanics could one day offer profound insights. In our journey through this video, we've explored the vast, enigmatic world of quantum mechanics, its relationship with consciousness, and its potential implications for the ultimate existential query. We've demystified quantum mechanics, peeling back the layers of this complex field of study, revealing its fundamental principles. We've learned about the peculiarities of the quantum world, a world where particles can exist in multiple places at the same time, and where observing a particle can change its state. We've also treaded the delicate bridge between quantum mechanics and consciousness. We've pondered the intriguing possibility that our minds, our very consciousness, might be deeply intertwined with the quantum world. The quantum mind theory suggests that our thoughts, our awareness, might operate on the principles of quantum physics, opening up a whole new dimension to our understanding of consciousness. Then, we ventured into the realm of the meaning of life through the lens of quantum mechanics. We've speculated on how understanding the quantum world might impact our perceptions of existence and purpose. Could the principles of quantum physics provide insights into why we are here and what our purpose might be? Could quantum mechanics hold the key to understanding the essence of life itself? However, as we stand on the precipice of this quantum frontier, it's crucial to remember that these are theories, ideas, and speculations. Science is a journey, a process of discovery and understanding. It's not about having all the answers, but about asking the right questions. So as we conclude this exploration of life's meaning through the lens of quantum mechanics, let's remember to keep an open mind. Let's stay curious, continue to question, to explore, and to learn. For it's in this spirit of inquiry and discovery that we truly come to understand our universe and our place in it. As we continue to delve into the mysteries of the quantum world, we may yet find clues to the ultimate question: what is the meaning of life?